Alright, Richard,
What?
tell us who you are. What's your name?
My name is Richard.
And where are you from?
I'm from East.
And where?
And
What school are we at?
What?
What school are we at?
We are in
Bethel Junior.
Yes.
This is Gloria. Gloria, come here. And this is Gift. Hi, Gift. How are you? Where are you? Good. And this is her sister Gloria. Gloria, look. I'm taking a video. This is Miriam. Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
How are you doing? What are you drinking? Is this juice? Juice? Richard, you come. You show me around. There's Courtney and Rachel. And this is Bethel Junior School. And there's the kid that always runs away from Luis. I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video. No.
No, bring.
See, it's recording. It's recording.
Okay.
All the kids are on break now.
This one.
There's Shelby and Sarah. Okay, show me.
Record. Record that one.
Where?
That's down.
The games?
Yeah. Daddy, keep.
The girls? Why this one? Who's this girl? Who's that girl? I think Richard's got a little crush on somebody.
Do you like somebody? Yes? Who?
Hello.
What's her name?